Cheap clamp meters can misread distorted signals, miss inrush spikes, and display ghost voltage. We compared 5 of the best digital clamp meters of 2026 for HVAC, automotive, professional, and DIY electrical work. Let's find the right one for you. Before choosing a digital clamp meter, check its True RMS capability, AC and DC current range, CAT safety rating, jaw size, and specialized features such as inrush capture, VFD filtering, or LOZ mode. Now let's get into the list. Coming in at number 5, the Malon MY2610D, our best budget digital clamp meter. For homeowners, DIY users, and occasional automotive testing, this is a capable budget option. It measures both AC and DC current while covering the essential functions needed for routine electrical troubleshooting. The 1.02-inch jaw fits around individual conductors and automotive cables without disconnecting the circuit. Its backlit display and built-in flashlight also make testing easier inside dark panels and tight spaces. The 6,000-count True RMS system provides more dependable AC readings on electronically controlled appliances and other distorted electrical loads. It can measure AC and DC current through the clamp, with ranges reaching up to 600 amps. Along with current and voltage, it measures resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, continuity, and diodes. You also get non-contact voltage detection for quickly checking whether AC voltage may be present nearby. Here are the specifications that matter most: a 6,000-count display, CAT 3600-volt rating, True RMS measurement, and a 1.02-inch clamp jaw. However, it does not include dedicated inrush current capture or data logging. That makes it better for routine measurements than recording motor startup spikes or tracking intermittent faults. Buy it if you need an affordable clamp meter for home repairs, DIY projects, or occasional AC and DC testing. Skip it if you need advanced diagnostics or professional data recording. The MY2610D earns 5th place because it offers True RMS, AC/DC current measurement, and useful multimeter functions at an entry-level price. At number 4, the Paramatisto CM06, our inrush specialist for motors and compressors. This is a strong choice for HVAC work, motor testing, and anyone who needs more diagnostic control than a basic clamp meter provides. Its standout feature is AC inrush current capture. The meter records the startup surge over approximately 100 milliseconds, helping you investigate motors, pumps, and compressors that trip breakers during startup. VFD mode filters high-frequency interference from variable frequency drives, producing more stable readings on motor control systems. LOZ mode lowers the input impedance to suppress ghost voltage caused by nearby energized wiring. The 6,000-count True RMS system measures AC and DC current up to 600 amps, along with AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts. It is designed for household circuits, HVAC equipment, automotive systems, and light commercial troubleshooting. It also measures resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, continuity, and diodes. NCV detection provides a quick warning of nearby AC voltage, while max/min, data hold, and DC zeroing support more controlled testing. The color display and built-in flashlight improve visibility around dark panels. The standard CM06 carries a CAT 3600-volt rating and includes test leads, a thermocouple, batteries, a screwdriver, and a storage case. Inrush measurement works only with AC current, and this meter does not provide Bluetooth logging or long-term graph recording. Also, make sure you buy the standard 600-amp CM06, not the higher-range CM06 Pro. Buy it if you troubleshoot motors, compressors, VFD systems, or ghost voltage readings. Skip it if you mainly need simple household measurements or professional data logging. The CM06 earns 4th place by combining inrush capture, VFD filtering, and LOZ testing at an accessible level. At number 3, the Temerup CM83E, our balanced HVAC clamp meter pick. This is a practical HVAC pick for technicians, students, and serious DIY users who need current, voltage, and temperature testing in one affordable tool. The included temperature probe can test air conditioning ports, heated equipment, and other contact temperature points. Its published range reaches up to 1,000 degrees Celsius, giving it more HVAC flexibility than a basic electrical clamp. The 6,000 count True RMS system measures both AC and DC current up to 600 amps. True RMS improves AC readings on nonlinear loads, while the DC capability supports battery, charging system, and other direct current checks. Before measuring DC current, the zero function lets you remove environmental magnetic offset from the reading. This helps establish a cleaner baseline, especially when checking smaller changes in DC current. The jaw opens to roughly 1¼ inches, providing room for individual conductors without disconnecting the circuit. A backlit display, LED flashlight, data hold, NCV detection, and automatic ranging make everyday testing more convenient. The key specifications include a 6,000 count display, 600 amp AC and DC current measurement, 600 volt input capacity, and a CAT 3600 volt safety rating. The auto power off activates after about 10 minutes. Also, some CM83E documentation lists VFD mode, but Temurup listings vary, so confirm that feature on the exact version before ordering. For very small automotive parasitic drains, a dedicated milliamp-capable meter may still provide better resolution. Buy it if you want an affordable clamp meter for HVAC, general electrical work, and AC or DC current testing. Skip it if you need inrush capture, data logging, or verified low-current precision. The CM83E earns third place by combining temperature testing, True RMS, and AC/DC current measurement in a straightforward package. At number 2, the Klein Tools CL490, our professional job site choice. This job site-focused model is made for electricians and HVAC technicians who need dependable testing with better screen visibility inside crowded panels. Its standout feature is the secondary display on the bottom. It provides another viewing angle, allowing you to see the active reading when the main screen is difficult to view. Both displays use a backlit, reverse contrast design for improved visibility in bright or dark environments. The True RMS system measures AC and DC current up to 400 amps and AC or DC voltage up to 600 volts. It also measures DC microamps, making it useful for checking furnace flame sensor circuits and other low-current controls. Through the test leads, it measures resistance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, capacitance, and diodes. The included thermocouple adds temperature testing, while NCVT provides escalating sound and visual alerts as the meter approaches an energized AC source. The 1.6-inch jaw provides room for larger individual conductors. Klein also rates the meter for drops up to 2 meters. A built-in lead holder helps organize one probe during testing, while an optional magnetic hanger supports hands-free positioning. The key specifications include dual 4,000 count displays, a CAT 3600 volt rating, capacitance up to 4,000 microfarads, and temperature measurement up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. The 400 amp limit provides less headroom than the 600 amp models in this list. It also lacks dedicated inrush capture and data logging, and the magnetic hanger is sold separately. Buy it if you want strong job site visibility, professional safety compliance, DC microamp testing, and practical everyday durability. Skip it if you need higher current measurements, motor startup capture, or long-term recording. The CL490 earns second place for its dual-angle display, dependable measurement range, and field-friendly design. Taking the top position, the FN-IRSI DMC100, our best overall feature value clamp meter. This is our best overall feature value pick for users who want high-resolution, visual data tracking, and rechargeable convenience. Its standout feature is the live curve display. The 2-inch color screen plots measurement trends instead of showing only a changing number, making slow fluctuations and intermittent behavior easier to notice. The 10,000 count True RMS system measures AC and DC current up to 600 amps. It also handles AC voltage up to 750 volts and DC voltage up to approximately 1,000 volts. Power mode can display clamp current and test lead voltage together. The meter also covers resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, continuity, and diodes, along with NCV and live wire detection. The built-in 1,500 mAh battery charges through USB-C, while the meter can store up to 30 groups of readings. Its compact 25mm jaw works well for automotive, solar, and general electrical testing. Independent testing found strong voltage and resistance results. However, clamp current readings can shift slightly with the meter's position. For better DC results, zero the meter first and keep the conductor centered inside the jaw. The graph is useful for tracking trends, but it is not an oscilloscope. Its 0.01 amp low-range resolution is also too coarse for very small milliamp battery drains, and the built-in battery must be recharged rather than quickly replaced. Buy it if you want visual trend tracking, broad measurement functions, and rechargeable operation in one affordable meter. Skip it if rugged job site protection, very low current precision, or independently verified professional certification matters more. The DMC 100 takes first place by combining useful graphing, strong resolution, and everyday versatility. Choose the clamp meter that matches your work and check the links below for current prices and availability. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next buying guide. Thanks for watching.